Helping Hands is a charity project group that UNIS students come to help and interact with the Sapa kids from the Sincha Elementary School. So basically we go to Sapa and we look around, we interview the students and teachers in that school to see if there's anything that we can help with. And they said that they wanted a toilet. And we are planning to just continue to this legacy of just renovating the school for now and renovating the facilities that they are having.
To build on previous successes is key to a good service learning group, I think. The majority of uni students probably come from reasonably privileged walks of life. And probably a lot of them will go on to be decision makers, managers, CEOs, directors of companies that are going to have a massive impact on millions of people, and so it's quite a good thing for them to understand how other people live. The grade 10 students in Sapa, they go there for a field trip, so the whole of grade 10 go for a field trip, which was great because then they could get involved, they could do a lot of the hard work, digging the hole, which is good. And there's nothing wrong with some hard work. So I think it's quite good when you get their hands dirty here and there. You know, we built a toilet, but that improves sanitation. And if a group of kids from a school can make it, then why aren't the governments doing more? It wasn't easy, but we did it. We should be able to do more.